You probably already know DynaRent is a powerful new equipment rental package. But if you rent heavy equipment or complex machinery, you'll want to see this overview of the most important features DynaRent provides for heavy equipment rental operators. So here's a quick look at our top 7 features for heavy equipment rental. First, we're going to look at 3 features that make your life easier before your equipment leaves the yard. Then we'll look at 4 other features for managing your fleet during and after the rental contract. So let's look at our first 3 favorites that help your rental counter process orders. First up is actually a management screen, the service calendar. This shows pickups, deliveries, and service calls for the month. Each day is color-coded to indicate workload. The darker the color, the more activity your yard has going on. And you can look at the day's activity by hovering with your mouse. There's also a weekly view where you can see the same workload broken out by driver or vehicle. Next, let's look at availability. First, note that you can look up any serial number status, but your rental counter doesn't have to assign a serial number yet. Your yard can do that later when they load up for delivery. Second, here's 3 different aspects of equipment availability. First, you have the status line at the bottom, then a red warning indicator showing any shortages, and finally an availability calendar as a pop-up window. Insurance. Wherever there's an insurance issue with a customer account, DynaRent immediately posts a yellow warning, and with one click, we can look at the master file and see the source of the problem. DynaRent also checks insurance coverage each time the order's lines are entered. Here's our 4 favorite features for managing things during and after the rental contract. First, inspections. This order has some returns. The Rental Activity tab shows one particular return flagged as damaged. Click the inspection link and you'll notice yellow icons indicating both a note and an attached file. DynaRent also saves inspections in the Equipment Master file. It files all asset movement transactions there, so you can see the entire inspection history for any piece of equipment. Next, let's look at how DynaRent stores tracking data from a transponder. This information includes location and meter readings. We even show the next scheduled maintenance in case you might do that on site. Click View on Map and there's a Google map showing the movement history of your equipment. DynaRent provides several capabilities for managing repairs and costing. For example, here's a repair order where the shop needs to bill the customer for some of the work. You can pick which items to bill, and DynaRent puts a new invoice out to the customer. And remember the Equipment Master file? All repairs are collected there, so you can see them married up along with any rental revenue, giving you a clear picture of the asset's profitability. Asset management. Each serial number has a utilization characterized by a monthly graphic. Green means on rent, and darker colors mean progressively less profit. Since today is June 27th, you can see the boundary where we forecast future utilization. Click on any cell and drill down and see the underlying order. Click Asset Management, and you can see the utilization for the past 12 months. We especially formatted this so you can see your own fleet's utilization compared against the equipment subrented from the outside. So that's it for our top 7 DynaRent features for heavy equipment rental. But these are just a few of the many capabilities built into the system. We haven't even mentioned parts warehouse management, subrental capabilities, or free mobile screens. Check out some of the other DynaRent videos and you'll see these and other features explained in further detail.